Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Henry's Bourbon. Today I'm going to show you something very cool. I was talking to you guys yesterday and told you about the Yorkshire Gloster crosses that I'm making to make my own Lancashire. I'm using different variations to come out with one great one that I could actually bring back to make it. Right now I have one that you guys are very lucky. They hatched about an hour ago. Okay, and they're still hatching, so I don't want to bother her too much, but I want to show you guys nevertheless. Okay, it's right here to my left is from my variegated Yorkshire to a variegated Gloster. I know 100% that if all those babies hatch, or even if it's just one, it's going to be freaking amazing. Nice as hell. Let me show you the father, and I'll show you the babies. Okay? Let's do this. Okay? That is the father. Okay? And that is the mother. Okay? Now let me get the ladder and I'll show you the baby. And if they all hatch tomorrow, I will show you the rest. It's so tiny you barely see it. Let me see. So get them to move a little bit. See it? Okay, get some of this burlap out of the way. Okay. Okay. Well, this is kind of very awkward. Okay. There it goes right there. Okay, see it beautiful? There you go, you see it moving. Okay. There you go. Still 3 eggs. Just like I said before. Sometimes they only get 3 eggs, but it's 3 fantastic eggs. Because of what's coming out of what came out of is what makes it very, very, very valuable. Maybe not monetarily, not money wise, but very valuable with what I want to do. Okay, yeah, guys, this is turning out to be a very, very, very great year for me, and I hope it's a very great year for you guys as breeders starting out or old-time breeders like me. Like always, I wish you guys all the very, very successful, very best with all your endeavors, with all your breeding. I hope that my show helps you guys as much as possible, and I hope you find knowledge and enlightenment in my shows as far as your breeding endeavors. Okay, pretty soon I'm going to be starting a podcast. You guys will be able to actually talk to me directly, ask me questions, and some of the stuff is going to be if anything more and in length, it's going to be by appointment. But for an hour or half an hour, you guys could ask whatever you want, and if it's in my power to give you the direction or the information, I will. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like, and the views. And don't forget to go to henrysbirdroom.com for all your bird needs as far as breeding, for nutrition and everything else. It's not just for breeding canaries, but it could be used for any other birds that you have. Okay? Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.